Hi everybody, it's Jasbo and Peanut here. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this Pokemon binder where you can store your Pokemon cards if you don't have a place to put them. So I've already put some Pokemon cards in here, so what you're going to need is a couple sheets of paper. You're going to need some Pokemon cards and some tape and scissors. So what you're going to do first is you're going to fold that piece of paper in half and then I'm going to fold it again in the middle, both sides, just like that. Then you're going to open it back up and you're going to fold the corners. All four corners. Then you're going to fold it back in like that, and it should look like this. And then I'm going to fold this in half this way, like that. Get a good crease right there. And then you're going to fold it back in like that, right to the middle, or to the end. Then you're going to fold the other side and do the same. And so it should look like that. But then you're going to fold it like that and in. So it should look like that. And then once you put this tape on it, it's going to look like this. And you can do like drawings on it and stuff. And then you just put your Pokemon in there and you make a few of those. And then you're going to glue them all together or tape them all together. And then once you're done, it'll look like this. And it'll have all your Pokemon cards in there. Bye!